Hi, so you do have a Kawasaki Vulcan 1600 mean streak. You might have realized that exhaust pipes are fake, that they both go to a catalytic converter or something like that. And what you see are actually pipe covers. Well, it can happen that a piece of the exhaust pipe cover falls off and you get this unsightly look. If you have not lost it, I strongly suggest you check the clamp screws and make sure they're tight. And if you have lost it already, let me show you how to fix it. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty ugly without it. And here you're gonna see some of these clamp screws of the other pipe covers. All right, so you lost it. Well, first off, you have to buy the parts. First one is the 491071202, and then the grommets, rubber grommets, which are the 920711270, and the clamp that keeps it together, which is at 921710137. The last one, if you lost, and here let me show you some details. So yeah, the clamp will go here and attach the actual exhaust pipe on that tab, and the grommets will go on these three tabs, metal tabs here that go towards the end. So again, here are the parts. You need three of these rubber grommets and one clamp, plus of course the cover. You might still have the, okay, here is the cover with the grommets already in place. Okay, the rubber grommets, that's how they go. These notches are on the pipe cover. This one here, you're gonna see, is for you to able to see the oil level, and this one here, the smaller one, is to guide you where the clamp screw should go. Okay? All right, so let's get to it. All right, first thing, you just open the clamp. You're gonna need a Phillips screw number 2. So you'll open it up, and you will put it on the actual, oh, here let me show you a little thing. Here are other clamps and how they put the screws, so they're all facing out. So the same thing, you put the one on the actual exhaust pipe, and you tighten it a little bit to make sure that it is, it will be already in place and ready to get the tab on the pipe cover. Okay, so these three here will have to go on those three holes in the back. Okay, and this is indeed a little bit tricky, because you have to really get it right, and it's with the rubber and whatnot, so you have to kind of wiggle it a little bit to get it right. Yeah, you can see here I'm having a little bit of difficulty, but eventually you will manage to have it into those slots, those three slots. And then you're going to put a clamp to make sure that it goes over that tab in and the exhaust pipe cover. All right.
Não,
So again, with the
não, agora tá bem.
screwdriver, you start tightening.
Você tá gravando?
You know,
Ih,
whole
agora
thing.
falou.
Yeah, you just keep tightening
Yeah.
and again making sure that it is holding the pipe cover through that metal tab that you saw inside. So again, you need to wiggle it a little bit, and again try to use that notch, the metal notch, to guide you where the clamp should be. And okay, here speed up a little bit, so in the back is nice. Now it's almost tight in place, and now it's just a final tightening of it. And as you can see the other clamp up front, that is holding the top portion of the exhaust pipe cover. So they all point out, and they are somewhat parallel to the ground. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. So I don't know if there is some exact how much pounds per square you should be using here, but I'm just using hand tight. And I strongly suggest that you check all of your other clamps, because as I said, all these covers, they're held in place by clamps. All right, looking pretty good. And that's how you pretty much fix this. And now it looks back as it used to be. All right, so thank you, and stay safe out there.